Hello everybody. So today we are going to discuss about PPF accounts. PPF accounts are also called Public Provident Fund, and today we are going to discuss every aspect of the PPF account, that who can open it, who can operate it, and the minimum and maximum deposits, and the number of installments, the IT rebates, etc., and what is required to open a PPF account. Let's start. So a PPF account can be opened by an individual for self, or it can be opened for dependent minor children. And who can operate it? In case of minor, it is operated by the guardian, and in case of individual, it is operated by the individual itself, and the initial deposit is rupees 100. So you can open a PPF account with as little as rupees 100. However, you must deposit a minimum of rupees 500 in a financial year and a maximum of rupees 1.5 lakhs. So initial deposit should be 100 rupees and minimum annual deposit is to be rupees 500, and it should be in multiple of rupees 5, and the maximum number of installments are 12, that is 12 in a financial year. You cannot deposit more than 12 in a financial year. So now maximum deposit, presently rupees 1.50 lakhs, that is 1,50,000 can be deposited as maximum PPF accounts. So minimum annual deposit is rupees 500 and maximum is 1.50 lakhs. And IT rebate. In PPF accounts, rebate is under section 80C. Interest on PPF is exempted from tax. At the time of maturity, no income tax is levied. Rebate is under section 80C. So maximum number of accounts, only one account per person is open. It should be either in bank or post office, but account should be one for any individual. So the next point is period of deposit, means for how much time you have to deposit in PPF accounts. The tenure for PPF account is 15 years, means the maturity period for PPF account is 15 years from the date of opening of the account. Yes, you are also allowed to withdraw some amount from the PPF account. So first withdrawal you can do in 7 years, and it should be 50% of the balance as at fourth preceding year and immediate preceding year, whichever is less, right? The transferability means you can transfer your account from bank to post office or post office to bank, or you can transfer it from one bank to another bank, right? So you can transfer your account. Penalty for revival of account. So penalty for revival of PPF account is rupees 50 per annum, means if you forgot to deposit any amount in your PPF for a financial year, so you have to pay rupees 50 extra for the revival of the account. And these PPF accounts cannot be opened by HUF and NRI. And in case of death of depositor, account can be closed before maturity period and interest is paid till the end of preceding month in which the amount is paid to the nominee or legal heir. So in case of death of depositor, the account can be closed before the maturity. So document required for opening of PPF accounts. It is very important to note that your photograph, your ID proof and address proof is required to open PPF account. ID proofs can be PAN card and address proof can be your Aadhaar card, and in case of under guardian, ID proofs of parents can be taken. So that is all about PPF account. We'll meet for the next topic. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the video.